Is Web3 dead? With the NFT hype gone, the bear market here, and the whole sentiment seems quite low, is this the end for Web3? Well, judging by the smile on my face, it's pretty obvious that this is definitely not the end. In fact, this is the best time for you to be here. My name is Hakeem, and I'm a Web3 developer working for eBay. And my mission is to teach you Web3 development in e-commerce. So let's begin. Web3 is the next stage of the internet that uses blockchain technology to facilitate trustless transactions. What does this mean? This means that for the first time in human history, I do not need to trust you. In fact, all I need to do is trust the technology that allows for us to transact or trade goods or services. There is no middleman. There is no government that can stop or interrupt these processes and slow things down. And for the first time in human history, you get to own your own money and assets and trade with whoever you want, anytime, anywhere, from any country. To answer the question, is Web3 dead? Absolutely not. Currently, according to DeFi Llama, there is still $50 billion within DeFi. DeFi Llama does not actually count every single DeFi protocol. For those that don't know, DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and it's exactly what I just mentioned there. So it's just the act of you owning your own cryptocurrencies. You're not giving it away to Coinbase or Solana. You're not giving it away to Sam Bankman-Fried or some third-party counter risk. You're holding your own assets and you're exchanging peer-to-peer, so directly with somebody else, another human or another protocol that acts on your behalf. So that's what DeFi is, to put it simply. It's just trading, it's the exchange of cryptocurrencies or NFTs without any middleman. That's it. Now, back in 2021, NFTs were all the rage. I'm sure you all remember the whole Bored Ape Yacht Club stuff, and, everyone was talking about NFTs, like everyone I knew. The total sales of NFTs actually exceeded 10 billion, which is insane for a new industry. Now, not so great because we're in a bear market and most people have left. However, we've seen e-commerce giants such as Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and even Alibaba investing heavily into NFTs. Now, Amazon is reportedly about to release their NFT marketplace on my birthday, April 24th, so a month from today. And that will be extremely bullish for the market. It doesn't mean we're going to pump to the moon, go to 100k Bitcoin, but it does mean that more eyes and more money is going to continue to flow into the space throughout this year. Now, I mentioned Alibaba just there. Alibaba is a e-commerce giant valued at over 200 billion right now. And they've partnered with a brand new blockchain called Sui with the intention to make Web3 more of a familiar Web2 experience. Now, this is key to onboarding 8 billion people. Yes, that's right. 8 billion people into the space. You can't be using terms like NFTs, blockchain, decentralization to onboard 8 billion people. They're not going to care, not going to know what it means. So you have to make it feel familiar to them, and that's what they're intending to do. Scalability. Ethereum's biggest problem has been scalability. The reason why a lot of people complained about Ethereum's gas fees, and rightfully so. During the peak of the bull market that we just had, it would cost you hundreds of dollars to make a single trade on Uniswap, or a single, just sending cryptocurrencies or NFTs costs to do $50 to $100 and more. However, we have countless alternatives to choose from, such as Phantom, Avalanche, Polygon, and a brand new one called Pulse Chain, which was founded by the Hex founder, Richard Hart. And this guy is extremely passionate about taking the best parts of Ethereum, bringing them to this new fork called Pulse Chain, whilst keeping out the bad ones that have held Ethereum back and overcomplicate things. As you can see, Web3 is anything but dead. There is new projects being made, partnerships, investments. This is the best time to be in the space right now. Okay. And a once in a lifetime opportunity for you watching this to actually invest in this game-changing asset class, the fastest growing asset class in human history. Now, I'm not saying go trade, buy, crap coins and get wrecked, but do your research, see what's the most consistent one. Ethereum and Bitcoin are pretty damn reliable, in my opinion. And just be patient. If you look at the chart right here, there's a clear pattern. That pattern is the bear and bull markets, right? It's human psychology repeating over and over again. People are very predictable. Okay. If you tell them, hey, if you do this, you'll get that, they'll do exactly what you expect. If you say, hey, Bitcoin's going to 100k, if you just buy it now, and everyone believes that, it's going to pump. If you say the market's going to go down and we're in a bear market and we're all doomed, it's going to go down. Like, people are very, very predictable, and human psychology will never change. So do what most people are not doing. Invest in your own knowledge in the space by watching channels like mine. Invest in your own financial future and freedom, and you will not regret it. By the end of this decade, we're going to see central bank digital currencies. And these are government issued cryptocurrencies that are made to control you. They're going to watch everything you do, and they can turn off your income stream at the flip of a switch. Look at what the government's done. Look at what's happened over the past few years alone. Do you think they want more control or less control of your life? You tell me. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. For more Web3 content, check out the future of e-commerce on screen right now.